Here we have a 70-plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the M Sport Pro package, the visibility and also the technology packages. We have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition with the blue M Sport brakes. Mineral grey metallic paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills and also the front splitter. There's a look at the front end. We also have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so if we make our way around to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate as we take a closer look. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and a reversing camera as well. We have the dual legs exhaust at the rear with the rear diffuser, and also if you press this button here on the remote then the boot will pop open like so. Inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space that goes quite far back, storage net as well on the left hand side. We also have a handle underneath the boot so we can pull it back down. Walking back round to the driver's side you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look now at the interior. So inside of here you find the full black leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We also have the M Sport style seatbelts. Ambient lighting you may have noticed on the doors. We also have the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers. We have the same full leather interior at the front. Both the front seats are heated. There's a quick look at them. We do have the electric windows on the doors with a child lock for the rear, power folding electric mirrors, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights and the automatic wipers. We have the multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters either side. Take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put our foot on the brake, press your start button, the vehicle will turn on. We've got the speed limiter and the cruise control just here on the left hand side. We also have the high beam assist as well just there. And as you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the heads up display as well just up there. We have the main infotainment screen in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. We have plenty of features on here that you've seen on the photos. Quickly going through them though, we have the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media, then you find the radio stations. We also have the Spotify and the Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, and we also have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if you go onto the settings from here, go on to the interior ambient lighting, you can see we have plenty of colours which we can go through. Currently on blue, change it to orange, then you see all the lights will change to orange. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down now you find the climate control. We have the ice-cold air conditioning and the heated seats as well on each side, all working as they should do. We have the wireless phone charging just inside of there, the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. Got the automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. So as you can see we have the adaptive drive mode, we have the electric, hybrid and also the sport drive mode just there. Put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera and also the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park, we also have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button, leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.